How to sell Canva templates on Gumroad. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell Canva templates on Gumroad. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to start creating an account on Gumroad, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Gumroad, it is an e-commerce platform designed for creators to sell digital products and physical merchandise directly to their audience. And with Gumroad, anyone can earn their first dollar online by starting with what they know and they seeing what sticks. And the platform also offers a simple marketing tools that allows users to create and format headings, paragraphs, block quotes, images, and videos all in one place. It also supports both static and dynamic content, making it easy to customize and style content using rich text element. And now to start using this platform, you could also click the Start Selling button or the Login button if you already have an account on Gumroad. In which upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. In which from here you can sign in or sign up using your Facebook, Google, Twitter, Stripe, and even your email address and password in here. And after that, you're also required to activate your account before logging in by simply entering here or copying the code that has been sent to your email inboxes. After signing in, you will be directed on the homepage of Gumroad. And as you can see, it will show in the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with here: home, products, collaborators, and other options that you can navigate in here. And now to start creating a template, just go to our canva.com and just sign in your account in here. And to start creating an account, you could also create a design by clicking on the top right corner if you want to start from scratch. But as you can see here, I've also created a template in here, which is a PowerPoint presentation in which it contains different kind of design, layout, a context, content, and many more. It is also a 10 pages presentation. However, this template are not the file that we're going to upload in our Gumroad, since the file that we're going to upload in Gumroad is just a cover photo that contains the details. And to do that, just go to the file on the top left corner and click Create New Design. You can also select Custom Size and also enter here the width and height of your Canva in here. Let's say I'm going to enter here 600 by 600, which is only a box cover photo. And upon clicking Create New Design button, you'll also be directed on this page right here. And from here, we can now start customizing from scratch, or you could also use some of the editing tools that we can find on the left side panel, such as to change the color of our Canva. We have here default colors and also gradients. And after that, on the left side panel, you could also use these elements and design. But at this point, I'm going to select these elements and I'm going to search for a specific kind of graphic design in here. And as you can see, I just enter aesthetic. And below here of the result, you could also select the graphics section and simply selecting or uploading some of these files or kind of elements in here. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. And from here, we could also simply customize and even change the location of it in our Canva. So for instance, I'm going to duplicate this one, copy and paste, and move it in our borders in here. After rotating it, we'll now be able to see here that we have now attached a new elements in our design. Now moving on, aside from that, we could also navigate here on the left side panel some of the graphic design that you could also enter or add. Let's say this one. From here, we could also simply relocate this kind of elements or sticker in our Canva. And also, if you also want to change the background color of our Canva, just click this color icon on the top left corner, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us on the left side panel some of the color palette that we can choose. And now after selecting the graphics, we could also add here a text. And as you can see under font combination, it will show us a variety of font that we can use for free. But those font style or font combination that has a star or crown on it, you should have an upgrade account in order to use some of those. And let's say I'm going to choose this one for free. By simply clicking on it, we'll now be able to see that the text has now been added in our Canva. From here, we could also start customizing or editing this one, such as by changing the color of it, the size of it, and many more. And as you can see, I just changed the color of it from orange into this color gray right here. And it says here, limited time only. And now aside from this context, you could also add here additional text by clicking the text on the left side panel. You could also add here a text box that you prefer, or even a subheading. And for instance, from here, I'm going to enter here, download your PPT template in here. And now, by simply highlighting all of these contexts, we could also add or customize the font of it in here. So as you can see, I just changed or customized the font style, but you could also change the font color on the left side panel under some of this color palette. And now that we have here our context to download our static PPT template in here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply add a link on this text. And for the link, just go back on this page right here on our template. Just click the share button on the top right corner. And from here, in order to get the link, just proceed by clicking under this collaboration link. Just enter or select anyone with the link can edit. And after that, just proceed by clicking or copying the link and go back to our page right here. Then simply highlighting all of this context and click the link icon in here. Then just simply paste or enter the link of our template and click done button to proceed. So basically, we have now successfully embedded the link in this text right here. So if the customer try to click this link, they will be directed in our template where they could also start downloading the template that we just prepared or created. And now you could also start changing the name of this file before we download this. And to download, just click the share button on the top right corner and click the download. And under file type, just select the PDF. In which upon clicking on it, just click the download button to proceed. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to be fully downloaded. And now we can now proceed in our Gumroad. And to start selling for our Canva templates that we just created, just click the products option on the left side panel and proceed by clicking new product button on the top right corner. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter the name of our product in here. For instance, I'm going to enter here aesthetic PPT template. And below under products, just select digital products. And for the price, let's say I'm going to enter here $10 for these templates. And now to proceed, just click the next and customize button on the top right corner. Now moving on, the next thing that we need to do from here under product is to simply fill out all of the required information, including to describe the product, the URL to enter, custom domain, upload a cover photo, and other required information in here, including this thumbnail. Well, under this product info, you could also change the call to action. Let's say I'm going to select here, buy this. And you could also add details if you want to in here. And now if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking Save and Continue button on the top right corner to proceed under Content section. By simply clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed in our Content section. And from here, we could also start uploading or inserting the file that we just downloaded in our Canva. By simply clicking this Insert File icon on the top panel in here, you have the option to upload a computer files, Dropbox import, and embed video. And after uploading the PPT template that we just downloaded earlier, all we need to do is wait for it to be fully uploaded in here. And after that, we can now proceed by clicking the Save Changes button or the Publish and Continue button on the top right corner to proceed. And after that, you'll now be able to see that we've now successfully added these Canva templates in our product to sell on Gumroad. And now to see the preview of this file PPT template, you'll be able to be directed on the next tab, and from here it will show us what it looks like or what the customer will see if they try to click the link in here. Then you will be able to see here all of this template that they can also customize and even download this one. So overall, that is just basically how you can sell Canva templates on Gumroad. Thank you.